Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 861 of trying a new makeup product every day. Looking at me right now, you could probably guess what the product is that I'm going to be trying out. It's a brow product. I just feel like when I look at myself without my brows filled in, I look so different and I look incomplete. So I'm really excited to be trying out this Winky Lux Uni-Brow eyebrow pencil. So I actually got this in my summer FabFitFun box. That was such a fun unboxing. I can have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see it. I got so much value in my box. Those FabFitFun boxes cost $50 a month, but you get hundreds of dollars of value on really, really nice products. And this is a product that I got that I am so excited about. I have not tried out products from Winky Lux, but this retails for $16. And what's cool about it is that it's supposed to be a universal shade, meaning if you press down lightly, you get a lighter color. You can press down harder, it'll be a darker shade. It's really cute packaging. I love the gold. I also love that you get a spoolie on one end, and then it's a triangle shape twist up pencil. This is exactly what I like in my brow pencils. Here is what that looks like. Why don't I go ahead and see the swatches? All right, so yes, a light brown. Oh, wow, that really does seem to be able to cover a wide range of shades. So here's what that looks like. I really like that it doesn't have any orange tone to it. I would say it's like a cooler tone brown, but that's good because sometimes when it has too much orange in it, that just is not going to work. But there is no orangey tone to this, so I'm really excited to try it out. First off, I have long brow hair, so I always brush through them before I even fill them in. And then I'm gonna take the pointy end and just fill in these sparse areas of my brow. And I'm able to make little fine lines. Ooh, especially at the front of the brow, that looks very hair-like. And I'm going in with a light hand to start to keep the shade light. But what's cool is you could also do an easy ombre look. So I like the look of ombre brows, meaning it's lighter in the front and then it gets darker towards the tail. And if you just apply some more pressure, the shade will be a little darker. I'm finding this really easy to use. It glides on nicely, seems to have good pigment. It's not leaving any flakes in the brow. Wow, look at how good that filled in the brow. Now I just like to take the spoolie and just blend everything through, but this is such a smooth pencil that I barely even feel like I need to brush through and blend the product. And I really like this shade. What an amazing difference. This is exactly how I want my brow to look. And it was so quick and easy, but it looks so natural in the brow. Like you can't see any product. It looks like my brows are just filled in like this. It looks like it's filled in fully with hair. Let me do a zoomed in view so you can see, especially so you can see the difference between the brows. I love it. I'm so impressed. And I try out a lot of brow products on my channel, and I'm really picky about how my brows look. And I love just going over the tail of the brow a little bit harder, adding a little bit more pressure so it gets darker. So then you get that ombre effect, which I feel like is very flattering and natural looking for the brows. I really love the finished result. It might take a little bit of getting used to for me to use this shade because it is a little bit darker, a little bit more cool toned than I normally wear in my brows, but I think it does look good. That's the thing with filling in your brows, using different brow products. It really does take some getting used to looking at yourself with filled in brows, but then it gets to the point where I feel like I look weird without it. So that's how I'm feeling right now. Like right now I feel like this shade looks a little bit off, a little bit weird, but I think I could get used to it and then it would feel weird when I'm not using this cool tone brown in my brows. But all in all, I really like this brow pencil. I'm so glad I got this in my FabFitFun box. A brow pencil is a product that I use every day. I go through them pretty quickly, so I'm definitely going to use this. It's a product I could see myself completely using up. And then I also just love, you know, the packaging, the feel. I love the shape of it. I love that it comes with the spoolie and a cover for it, so very travel friendly. You know, I'm a little curious just if there's any smudging. No, this doesn't have much hold to it, so because I do have long brow hairs, I will still use a brow gel. I like to use a clear brow gel to just keep my brows in place so that they don't get too messed up. But yeah, no fading, wow, no smudging. So this is going to stay in place. I love that. I also want to mention that this is cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. If you have tried out this brow pencil, I would love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.